What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys don't know, I am starting a food series here on my channel called Foodie Fridays. It's kind of self-explanatory, but I'll still explain a little bit. Every Friday I will be uploading a cooking video, whether I'm whipping something up or it's something fancy smancy, every single Friday starting with today's video. I will be uploading every Friday with a new dish, whether it's dessert or the main course. So for today's episode 1, we are making a Chick-fil-a chicken sandwich. It's super simple to start things off, but it's super good. I wish we had this shit on Guam. So we will just get started. First, I need a freaking drink because it's hot.
It's hot.
Okay, so first what we're gonna need is, oh shoot, let me get a Ziploc because I forgot a Ziploc. Okay guys, I freaking cannot find my big Ziplocs. So we're going to use a sandwich bag, and I think it'll work. But I'm so sad. I swear we had freaking the big one. I cannot find it. But I found the sandwich bag. So we're going to the sandwich bags. So I got half chicken breast. I am making only 3, so I'm only going to be doing this. Then I also got, you're also gonna need a half cup of pickle juice. So this is gonna be the marination. We're going to shove all of the chicken breasts in here. So just like that. And then you're going to pour in the half cup of pickle juice. And then we are going to throw this in the fridge for 30 minutes. So this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna put this in the fridge and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back, and now that we're waiting for the chicken to finish marinating and the pickle juice in the fridge for 30 minutes, we are going to start on the breading, the egg wash, and the sauce for the delicious sandwich. Okay guys, I'm literally editing right now and I can't with myself because of how many times I freaking said breading when I meant flour mix. So please do not mind me. Please don't. I can't. I keep fucking laughing every time I say breading because I literally meant to say flour mix. I can't with myself. I want to apologize in advance. I was like, I better just, let me just record now. So here I am. I'm apologizing in advance. I can't with myself. Sorry guys. This is everything for the breading that you're going to need. You're going to need 1 whole teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon paprika, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon baking powder. And I'm just going to add it. And then in this bowl, it is 1 whole cup of flour and 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, okay? Powdered sugar. I know powdered sugar. What? I saw the recipe and I was like, powdered sugar? Am I reading that right? I'm just gonna mix it. So that's it for the breading. Put that to the side. And now we're going to start on the egg wash. I'm using this. It's super simple. All you're going to need is a half cup milk. I put my 1/4 water in here because I was already using my measuring cup, so I put it in here. So 1/4 water, okay? This is 1/4 water. And then 1 egg. That up. Okay, so that's it for the the egg wash and the breading. So now we're going to put that to the side. Now we're going to start with the sauce for this delicious sandwich. The Chick-fil-A sauce. I'm going to start off with the mayo. You're going to need a half cup of mayo. I got my half cup here and then like a small spoon so I can scoop it out of this thing. I have to scoop it in because this thing cannot fit inside the hole. Now that we got our 1 cup of mayo, half cup of mayo, we are going to need half teaspoon of garlic powder and paprika. This is my garlic powder because it all clumped up when it was in a container like this. So I literally took it out and put it in a bowl in the strainer thing and made sure that the clumps were gone. Clumps be gone. Anyway, so I just put it inside the freaking Ziploc after, so it's been here ever since. So we're gonna need half teaspoon of paprika and garlic powder. Paprika. Two teaspoons of barbecue sauce. You guys can use any barbecue sauce, but I really recommend the Sweet Baby Ray's. So we're gonna use 2 teaspoons of this one. Okay, and then so for the yellow mustard, we're putting 3 teaspoons. So that's 3 teaspoons. And then 1 teaspoon of the Dijon mustard. Guys, I'm telling you, sometimes when I'm cooking, my mind is not really all there. Like, I know it should be, but it's never really all there. So one more time, it's 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 2 teaspoons of the barbecue sauce, 3 teaspoons of the yellow mustard, and 2 tablespoons of honey, which I'm going to do next. This is how much honey I have left, so hopefully it's enough. So I have 2 tablespoons honey, guys, don't forget. Okay. Now we're gonna mix it all up. So now we're done mixing up the sauce. It is all good over here. So we got our breading, right? We got our breading, egg wash, and our sauce all ready to go. The timer is up, so now I'm gonna go get the chicken and the stove and start frying. Now we have my stove, I have my oil, I have my 2 plates. So this will be the one for when it's done. Anyways, I'm just gonna get my oil going. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait for that a little bit. And we'll just start breading the chicken while we're waiting for the oil to finish. This is what the chicken looks like after 30 minutes. So I'm gonna put my sauce on this side for when I'm setting up the sandwiches and putting them together. And then I got my egg wash and the breading. So this is kind of the hard part for me. If you are a fryer, professional fryer, I really suck at the whole wet hand, dry hand thing. So if you guys see me mess up, don't come for me, please. I'm just letting you know now. So I'm just gonna get the stuff ready while I'm waiting for the oil. So what we're gonna do is get the chicken out of the bag, right? Do not pat dry, go straight into the egg wash, okay? So we're gonna go in. Oh, I should have used this. Okay, wait, let me just switch my hands. So this will be my dry hand. So this is my wet hand. Dip it in there. Go straight to the breading. So what we want to do is we're going to do it twice. We're going to put it in the breading, into the egg wash, and then into the breading again. Okay. And make sure when you put it into the flour mix, you want to push down on it pretty hard. And make sure that mix gets all up in that chicken. And now we're going to go back into the wash, the egg wash. Right? So we're gonna do that twice, okay? For that extra crunchy, whatever they say, if you do it twice, it's extra crunchy. Let me just get that all fresh again. Back in here. And make sure you guys are really pushing down on the chicken and the flour mix. I wish I had gloves, but I don't have gloves either. We haven't used the gloves in so long that I didn't even realize that we had no more gloves. So yeah, this one should be really good. I like really pushed her down on it. So now I'm going to put it on this plate next to me and then start on the next one. Okay, so that one's super good. You can like really just tell. So next one. And then last one, and then I think the oil should be done. But let me double check. Let me just... Okay, here for the frying part. I'm not going to lie, I'm always low-key scared to put stuff inside the fryer when it's ready. Yeah, I'm always kind of scared. So this is how the chicken looks. When you push in all of the flour, this is how it looks. For me at least. I'm not sure how your own is gonna look, and we're going to put in one. I think I'm gonna put in one by one, just because it's a small pot and I'm not sure. So while that's frying, we are going to start on the last one. So straight into the egg wash. Oh, that smells good. That smells good. That smells good. So just watch out for it and make sure, try not to overcook it. You're going to be looking for like a golden, oh shit, that's good already. So that's good. That was like really fast actually. I wouldn't overcook it. Maybe throw it on my fire. So I'm gonna throw the next one in. And then straight into my breading. Sorry, I have to check the dogs because the dogs are going. That was freaking good! Okay. So I'm gonna make sure I don't burn it. No! I put it in and it accidentally folded and it freaking fry folded. So I'm trying to open it. Anyways, I think it should be done. That looks really good. That was pretty fast too. Oh, I'm so excited to eat it. Anyways. So that's it. Oh, one more time, right? Forgot. Switch to my freaking tongs.
steak.
So this is my last breast. And then we're going to start assembling this delicious sandwich I've been waiting for. Are you ready, Freya?
Yeah. Wow! That's sugar.
Guys, this looks so freaking good.
That's just so huge.
Yeah, this is pretty freaking big. Let me go see if I have cheese, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I did not have the cheese. I didn't realize that I did not come back and say there was no cheese. If you guys are wondering about the cheese, there was no cheese. So, yeah. And then also the sandwiches, I'm assembling them how I usually make my burgers. Like, I'm not making them how Chick-fil-A makes them. It was more like the sauce and the breading of the chicken. But I'm assembling the sandwich as I do my burgers, so do not pay attention to the way I do it. And yeah, back to the video, sorry. Okay guys, we are done and it's time to eat. I can see you, Freya. Hey guys, we are about to eat. Are you excited? If you guys don't know, this is my baby sister Freya. It's just gonna be us eating for today. And we're gonna just talk.
Yay! I love talking.
I know you love talking. Anyway, so now we're going to assemble the... Oh. So we're going to assemble our burgers now and talk about what's been going on. I'm like freaking sweating.
Why did you make it tall? Oh no. No. I need to have cookies.
And they got tomatoes.
Yeah, I went that one. Like, it's like a head.
Move out of the way so you can see my sandwich.
I'm scared. I'm scared. Does I make my body like a skeleton body? I'm gonna have 2 on them.
Are you ready? Carrie, pick it up.
I'm scared this is like a food chicken.
Yeah.
It's kind of like spicy chicken.
It's not chicken. Oh, and by the way, I forgot to mention, so this is just a regular non-spicy Chick-fil-A sandwich. If you guys want a spicy one, you're gonna put 1/3 of cayenne pepper into your flour mix, okay? 1/3. Now we're going to try it. I'm going to bite my chicken first and try it.
My wing.
And try the chicken first.
I tried salad.
Okay.
It's kind of good.
I'm good.
The salad is very, very happy. Listen! The picture is not like this.
Mm-hmm.
Girl, crap, I just got it back on this.
I'm just gonna bite the chicken to where the chicken is literally the same size as the sandwich. So.
I can't talk.
Okay. So now, time to eat the sauce and everything together.
Whenever you eat the sauce, every time I eat sauce.
Mm. That's good.
This constant chicken. I can't just talk. This chicken is more bigger than the picture. Time to run out. You think this is funny? I eat it in salad. Every time we have the
This is so good.
Where's Sissy? It's kind of good. You didn't know. It's all right, but It's good. I'm not really buy it. I really buy this in the store. And we have to look. It's tastes like.
Do you have any more? Can I drink?
Huh? Yeah. Add more. Maybe add more pickles on me eat. Yeah, water. Yeah, drink water, you know. You're back to drink some soda. You're back to drink water. Bambina, nina, nina.
Eat your sandwich.
Sure. I don't know I was gonna go there. Oh no 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 yeah. Oh. Yummy.
Right there, honey. Pick it up.
I'm scared.
Right there. Careful. Her sandwich is literally falling apart right now. Careful.
Ah! They're yours.
Drink.
Yeah. I can't go. No.
Careful. Hold your breath, Nay.
I don't know, my brother gave birth in the past.
Anyway, so how have you guys been? There has been so much going on, so I want to update you guys of where I have been.
Ow.
First off, sometime last week, I think the 16th, I think, my papa actually passed away. Rest in peace. He actually passed away, and it's been hard. It's been hard. And yeah, there's actually been a lot going on.
My chicken! My chicken's broken out.
Yeah, and then so everybody, our whole family has just been going through so much, especially my grandma. There's just, I don't know. But that's the updates. I wish my freaking camera is about to die on me right now. Roman's doing great. My battery's gonna die. But yeah, guys, so
I don't want to stand down for my food.
her food is crazy and broken. I'm going to eat this now, but I want to close off the video really quick before the battery dies. I don't want to close it off when it's not even the same setting anymore. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys want to see me make anything specific, let me know down in the comments. If you guys try this recipe, let me know. You guys can like definitely DM me on Instagram or something, or comment down below in this video after you make the food or whatever. But this is so freaking good, especially the sauce. The sauce is like what pulls it together. Was it good? Why are you playing with the oil?
I'm not playing it.
Anyways, I'm going to eat this now. Say bye, guys. And I will see you guys in the next video. I will try to upload before I post my next cooking video. But if not, I'm super sorry. And I'll see you in the next cooking video. Freya, what are you doing?
I want my doing.
Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and turn on notifications to get notified every time I post a new video. And I will see you next time, my foodies. Okay, bye, guys.